Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get an eBay shipping label. Let's get started. First of all, open your eBay account or eBay app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on My eBay on bottom left. This will open your account. Just scroll down and there you can see an option for selling. Tap on it. And over here under orders, you can see the items that you have sold. However, my orders is empty now because I haven't sold anything yet. However, I will guide you through the process about how to get an eBay shipping label. Once you have found the list of the sold items, find the item you have sold and select print shipping label next to the order. Now you will be taken to the shipping label page. Confirm the buyer's shipping address and select your shipping carrier and service. You can choose options like USPS, FedEx or UPS depending on your preference. Enter the package details including the weight and dimension. If you are not sure, you can wait and measure the package itself. Once everything is correct, review your shipping label and the cost. When you are ready, click on purchase and print label. You will be able to print the label right away. Simply print the label, attach it to the package and drop it off at your chosen carrier. It's that easy. And that's how you can get a shipping label on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.